Today we're going to make Dad's famous oven baked French toast. So what we're going to need is probably, these are rough estimates, but we're going to start out with about a dozen eggs. Get them all cracked up here. These are fresh chicken eggs that we got this morning. Okay, now we'll whisk this up. Okay. We're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. Now these are rough estimates. Doesn't have to be exact. Get some cooking spray. Now we're going to spray our pan just kind of lightly. We're going to start dipping in our bread. Now this is going to take about anywhere from 10 to 12 slices, depending on the size of your pan. And we're just going to line up our bread here. Dip them, roll them. We're going to make one layer here on the bottom. Okay, now there's the first layer. Now, what we're going to do is I have about a cup of brown sugar, about 4 tablespoons of cinnamon, and about a half a cup of quick oats. And now we're just going to sprinkle that on. Okay, now we're going to make another layer. So we're going to dip them again, place them right on top. Okay, now we're going to coat it one more time. Top layer can be a little bit thicker. The sugars will melt down in there a little bit. So we're gonna coat it real nicely. Okay, now let's preheat the oven at 350. Okay, now that our oven is heated to 350, we're gonna add it to the oven, and we're gonna give it about 20-25 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it as it cooks just to make sure, because the timing is not exact. Okay, now that that's cooked for about 20 minutes, okay, and then what you do, you can brush it a little bit with some melted butter, and then we'll just sift a little bit of powdered sugar on. You don't have to do the powdered sugar, but it does add to the sweetness. Okay, now we're going to cut this up and see how it is. There you have it, guys. Just drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on it, and there you go.